The construction of Miracle Field of Murfreesboro, in front of Sportscom, is well underway. Miracle Field is a rubberized field to provide opportunities for children with disabilities to play baseball. David Price's foundation, Project 14, is currently raising money to reimburse the city of Murfreesboro for the construction of the project. The facility will also have a standard baseball-softball field, playground for all abilities, restrooms, concessions, main plaza with the baseball water feature, and 2 donor walls. Danny McConnell, construction superintendent, talks about what it means to work on such an important facility.
You know, it's an honor for me to be out here and working on this field, and the subs take the same attitude. You know, it's something special when you're able to work on a facility like this. You know, the guys take a lot of pride in what they're doing out here, and knowing it's for the kids. We're on schedule. Everything's we're pushing really hard right now because the rainy season in Murfreesboro, it's coming up on us. So we're pushing real hard to get the concrete work in. The Miracle Field itself is built on a concrete slab, and we're probably about 95% complete on the slab. We've also got the concessions building and the restroom building, the footings in. We already have the plumbing in, inspected, everything's ready to go, so we're just hoping the weather will hold off and let us continue to go.
As work is going on, McConnell talks about residents stopping to ask questions about construction of the facility.
Since day one, we've had a lot of interest from the general public. They've stopped in asking what it is, and when you tell them, 90% of them either have a neighbor with a child that's disabled, or they have a grandson, or a son themselves. I even had a utility worker come out and was asking, and his son, they said it was basically an answered prayer.
If you would like to donate to the Miracle Field construction or be a part of the paver program, information is available at www.project14.org. Or email Bonnie Price, father of David, at bonnie@project14.org.